Salut à tous! Hello everyone, this is Quick French Grammar on Polyglot. Today let's learn two very important verbs and what you can tell about yourself with them. These two verbs are avoir, to have, and être, to be. You can say many things with them and we are going to see how to tell your age and profession with it. So first here's the conjugation of avoir, to have, in present. J'ai, tu as, il, elle ou on a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ou elles ont. Unlike in English, for example, where you would use to be to say how old you are, in French we use the equivalent of to have, avoir. That is the way. First, the verb avoir, which is conjugated, then the number, your age, and then the word ans, which means years. For example, j'ai 34 ans. Et vous? Marc et moi, nous avons 21 ans. Then here is the second important verb, être. Conjugation in present. Je suis. Tu es, il, elle ou on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils ou elles sont. With this verb, you can say many things about yourself, and one of them is your profession. How do you do that? It's very simple. You conjugate être, and then you put the profession name with no article before. For example, I'm a journalist. Je suis journaliste. We are doctors. Nous sommes médecins. Alright, this is it for today. See you soon. À bientôt.